So we're out at Chihuahua Park today and we are taking a walk through the trails and we are trying to identify some wildflowers. There's several ways you can identify flowers. You can rent a book from the library that helps you identify them. Or if you're a techie person, you can use your phone. There's a couple apps you can download. One of them is iNaturalist, and another one that's just more kid-friendly is called Seek. You just take a picture of the flower or any kind of insect or animal, and it helps you identify what you're seeing. Let's run to go see some wildflowers. I have a flower here using the Seek app. So I open the app up and I just hit the camera button, then my camera opens up. I'm going to take a picture of the flower. And then it tells you you have a cut leaf toothwort flower. And it even tells you if it's native or not, and it tells you about it. You can read about it. And it's as simple as that. And here we have bloodroot. This one hasn't bloomed quite yet. You can see that there's buds there. And this was an important plant for Native Americans. They used it for many medicinal purposes. And the reason it's called bloodroot is when you cut the rhizome, a red blood-like liquid will ooze out. Here we found a red trillium wildflower that is native to Ohio, and the white trillium is Ohio's state wildflower. So here we found some May apples, and the ones that have a single leaf will not end up having a flower. But there's other ones that will have two leaves. They'll kind of be like a Y here and have another leaf. And those ones will have a flower, and then eventually they'll have a fruit that looks similar to a little apple. I found a May apple that will produce a flower because it has two leaves that Y off, and there is the sprout of the flower coming up in the middle. What are those? Can you say May apple?
Apple.
Apple. These are violets.
Ooh, Cindy.
Well, we've shown you some interesting wildflowers that you can go check out this spring. And it's important to know that spring is about the only time you're going to see some wildflowers in your local forests and woods, because the leaves are not on the trees yet, so they get about half of the sunlight that comes through, versus in the summertime when there's leaves on all the trees, they won't be able to get all this sunlight to bloom their flowers.